Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to add screen lock on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the passwords and security section. Now as can you see here, we can add the password, and you can choose from the pattern, pin, or password from your numbers. For example, we can go with the pattern. Now just read here the description and then tap here to get it. Now just set your pattern. In my case that will be this one. Now just confirm your pattern and tap here to confirm. Now just here you can add a fingerprint. I can't do that, I don't want to do that. And now we'll check. And as can you see right now, you have just to enter your password, and by this way I can unlock my device. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.